Long ago, Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was one of the greatest believers in Allah. His faith was strong, and his heart was full of certainty. Yet one day, he asked Allah a very special question. He said, "My Lord, show me how you give life to the dead." Allah asked him, "Do you not believe?" Prophet Ibrahim replied with humility, "Yes, I believe. But I ask so that my heart may be completely at peace." Then Allah gave him an amazing lesson. Allah commanded Ibrahim to take 4 birds. He was told to train them so they became familiar with him. Then he was instructed to sacrifice them, divide their pieces, and place portions on different hills. After this, Allah told him, "Call them." Prophet Ibrahim stood and called the birds by Allah's command. Suddenly, something miraculous happened. The scattered pieces began to move. Feathers joined together. Bones returned to life. Wings formed once again. And the birds came flying back to Prophet Ibrahim, alive before his eyes. At that moment, Ibrahim witnessed the incredible power of Allah with his own eyes. His heart became filled with even greater peace, certainty, and awe. This story teaches us that asking sincere questions to strengthen faith is not disbelief. Even the great Prophet Ibrahim desired deeper reassurance. Allah is the one who gives life, causes death, and brings everything back again. Nothing is impossible for him. And through this miracle, Allah showed humanity that resurrection is real, and His power has no limits.